Hello, today we have this beautiful electric kettle to share with you. It has a nice retro look to it. It is a cream color, has a beautiful lid, easy to take on and off with a handle there. It has a drip-free spout and then a nice cord where you can plug it in at, along with this base part. The inside is all stainless steel. And then we have the temperature right here, so it shows you how hot it's getting as it's going. We have the on and off switch here, and it has an auto shut off so it doesn't overheat. It is super reliable for that. It boils water really quickly, which helps with meeting your needs for making coffee or tea. And today we're going to go ahead and show you how to use it.